Hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed about operators precedence. In this video, I am going to explain about decision making statements. Decision making statements are used to make a decision based on some conditions. There are different types of decision making statements in Tcl scripting. Those are if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, switch statement, and nested switch statement. Whereas if statement consists of a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. If the Boolean expression is satisfied, then the code within the if statement will be executed. Else, the code after the if statement will be executed. Whereas in if else statement, the if statement followed by else statement will be available. If the condition is true, then it will execute the if statement. If the condition is false, then it will execute the else statement. In the nested if statement, we can use one if or else if statement in another if or else if statement, which forms a nested if statement. Whereas a switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Whereas nested switch statement is we can use one switch statement inside another switch statements. Let us discuss about each of them in detail. In this video, I am going to explain about if statement. In the if statement, this is the syntax. If of Boolean expression, then statements. If the Boolean expression is true, then the block inside the if statement will be executed. If the Boolean expression is false, then the first set of code after the if statement will be executed. This is the flow chart of this if statement. Whereas if the condition is true, then it will execute the code within the conditional block, that is within the if statement. If the condition is not true, then it will go to the statements after the if statement. Let us execute some commands with respect to this if statement to get better understanding. Here I am using an online compiler to execute the code. Let us set the value of AS 10. We set the value of BS 20. Let us take the condition if the expression expr $a equal to $b, then print a is equal to b, then give some statements. Let us execute. Let us see what it will return. This is how it will return. As the expression within the statement is not true, please execute the statements after the if condition. If we give this is how it will return. The statements after the if block will be executed. If we change the statement like if it is not equal, Then also it will print this statement within the if block, and it will print the statement after the if block also. This is how it will work. Let us take another example. Let us set the value of x as 50. Let us take the condition if $x less than 20, print x is less than 20. X is greater than 20. Let us see what it will return. This is how it will return as the condition, that is the Boolean expression within the if statement is false. It is executing the statements after the if condition. This is how it will work. Practice more examples so you will get more idea. In the next video, I will explain the remaining statements